So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a cupcake drawing. So the first thing you're going to start with is the actual cup or the wrapper. So we're going to start with a slight curve. And this is going to be the top of the cupcake and then the bottom. Once you have that curve, you're going to bring it down on an angle from both sides. And then it's going to be flat at the bottom. So again, from the corners, you come kind of down and in on both sides, and then flat at the bottom. Once you have that, you're going to do the lines, and they're all going to angle just like you did with these. So you're going to draw the lines kind of angling down. And you're just slightly moving them in a little bit each time you draw one. If they're not perfectly the same size, that's okay, but you do want them to kind of be somewhat the same size. You don't want to be drastically different. Like that. Then once you have the cup, you can do the frosting. And you could do the frosting a couple different ways. I'm going to do kind of like the swirl, and then I'm going to do a fruit topping. So on the sides, I'm going to curve it, and then kind of bring it up, and then curve again. And then after the initial one, you're going to kind of alternate the sides. So now I'm going to curve the right and kind of have it go in on the side. Curve the other side and have it go in. Curve into the right, curve into the left. And then once you get it like the height you like it, you could put on your little fruit topping. I'm going to do a lemon wedge, but you could do cherry, you could do sprinkles, you could do a Hershey Kiss, whatever you want. You can make it decorative and fun, but I'm going to do a lemon wedge. So I'm going to draw kind of a circle. And then they have those triangles that continue to kind of like point into the center. So I'm going to go ahead and draw that in. And there you have your cupcake. And you could do this a bunch of different ways. You could do, like I said, different frosting. If you want to add like a little wrapper to even the wrapper, like if you wanted to add a bow, you could do something like that. Like if you wanted to add a bow, and I'm going to make like a little knot in the center and then off to the side. And then I can just kind of shade that in to make it darker, or color it however I would like. All depends if you're planning to use color or if you just want to shade. It's all up to you. But just be creative, have some fun with it, make it unique. Add some toppings. You can even put polka dots on the wrapper, whatever you want. But there is how you can make a cupcake.